Feeling blue? Crystals can help. These natural wonders have been cherished for their beauty and healing properties for ages. Crystals have been used for centuries as tools for healing and emotional well-being. Ancient civilizations from the Egyptians to the Greeks believed in the power of crystals to bring balance and harmony. These beautiful gifts from the earth possess unique energies that can gently shift our moods and promote feelings of joy, peace, and hope. Each crystal has its own unique vibration and properties, making them versatile tools for emotional support. If you're feeling down, crystals can be powerful allies on your journey back to emotional balance. By meditating with them or simply keeping them close, you can tap into their soothing energies. Crystals work by resonating with our own energy fields. This resonance can help to align our energies, making us feel more centered and grounded. They can help to clear blockages, promote the flow of positive energy, and restore harmony to our mind, body, and spirit. Placing crystals on specific chakras can enhance their healing effects. While they are not a substitute for professional medical advice, many people find that incorporating crystals into their lives can be a supportive and uplifting practice. Whether used in meditation, as decor, or carried in a pocket, crystals can be a gentle reminder of the beauty and balance we seek in our lives. Crystals have been revered by ancient cultures around the world for their healing properties. These beautiful stones were not just ornamental, they were believed to hold the power to heal and protect. From the Egyptians, who used lapis lazuli for wisdom and intuition, adorning their pharaohs and sacred spaces with this deep blue stone, to the Greeks who believed amethyst could ward off negativity and protect against drunkenness, these cultures understood the profound impact of crystals. Crystals have long been recognized for their ability to impact our emotional and spiritual well-being. They were used in rituals, meditation, and healing practices to balance energies and promote harmony. Today, modern science is beginning to understand the energetic properties of crystals. Researchers are exploring how these ancient beliefs align with scientific principles. While more research is needed, studies have shown that crystals can emit and store energy, acting as conduits for various frequencies and vibrations, and that these energies can interact with the human body in subtle but powerful ways, potentially influencing our physical, emotional, and mental states. The ancient wisdom of crystals continues to find relevance in our modern world. Amethyst, with its beautiful purple hues, is a powerful crystal for calming the mind and promoting peace. It is known as the Tranquility Stone for its ability to soothe anxiety, relieve stress, and encourage restful sleep. Amethyst is believed to connect to the crown chakra, the energy center associated with intuition and spiritual awareness. By opening and balancing this chakra, amethyst can help us to access our inner wisdom and find a sense of peace amidst life's challenges. Section 4. Rose Quartz, the stone of universal love. Rose quartz, with its gentle pink color, is the stone of universal love. It emits a soothing and compassionate energy that can help to heal emotional wounds, promote self-love, and attract loving relationships into our lives. Rose quartz is associated with the heart chakra, the energy center for love, compassion, and forgiveness. By working with rose quartz, we can open our hearts to give and receive love more freely, fostering deeper connections with ourselves and others. Section 5. Citrine, the sunshine crystal. Citrine, with its bright and cheerful yellow hues, is known as the sunshine crystal for its ability to bring joy, abundance, and prosperity into our lives. Citrine is associated with the solar plexus chakra, the energy center for personal power, confidence, and self-esteem. By working with citrine, we can boost our self-confidence, attract abundance, and manifest our goals and dreams. Section 6. Bringing crystal healing into your life. There are many ways to incorporate crystals into your daily life. These beautiful stones can be more than just decorative pieces. They can become a part of your daily routine and spiritual practice. You can carry them in your pocket, wear them as jewelry, meditate with them, or even place them under your pillow at night to promote restful sleep and vivid dreams. Or place them around your home or workspace. Each crystal has its own unique energy and can enhance the ambience of any space. Choose crystals that resonate with you and your intentions. Whether you seek protection, love, clarity, or healing, there is a crystal that can support your journey. Remember to cleanse your crystals regularly to clear any negative energy they may have absorbed. This keeps their energy pure and potent. You can do this by placing them in sunlight or moonlight, allowing the natural light to recharge their energy. Smudging them with sage or Palo Santo, which can purify and cleanse their energy fields, or rinsing them under running water. Water is a powerful cleanser that can wash away any residual negativity. Trust your intuition and allow the healing energy of crystals to support you on your journey to emotional well-being. Embrace their presence and let them guide you towards a more balanced and harmonious life.